Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're going to talk about once you throw a big, beautiful hip shot, how to pick up heels. Typically speaking, one of two things are going to happen. The rope's going to hit, the calf's either going to stay still or the calf is going to squirt off and leave. If the calf squirts off and leave, just reach with everything you got and pray that you keep two. But if the calf stands still, there's a couple little things that we have developed over the years to try to pick up 2 feet instead of 1. First things first, your header needs to leave with some purpose. Your header needs to pull. If their horse won't pull, they don't need to be hitting. That's just a fact. So let's say I'm over here with the way the calf's set up and I throw a backhand turnover hip shot. Right, so my rope goes through. I could just sit right here, but what's going to happen if I sit right here and that header pulls off is there's a lot of slack for me to try to get up and pick those feet up. So what I'm going to want to do is, as soon as it hits, if the calf stays still, is I'm going to ride straight to that calf's hip. And what that does is it's going to open up a hole for that calf to go. So when the header pulls, the calf will squirt off and leave, and then you're right here with far less rope to pick up. On a backhand turnover, usually what I do is I just let the header and the calf leave, and I stay faced away. Just pick up as it starts to come tight. I just go to the horn and keep my horse's butt behind me. That way I don't have to turn around or do any of that stuff. The same thing applies when we're talking about a forehand hip shot, a forehand turnover hip shot. And this applies to the karate chop. It applies to all of them, every hip shot there is. But if I throw a forehand turnover, what I'm going to want to do is deliver it nice and pretty and deep, right? And then I'm going to ride to that calf's hip. The only thing I'm going to change with the forehand turnover is I'm not going to be able to dally like this, okay? So as I'm approaching, I'm going to be disengaging my horse's butt around to be faced up when the cow leaves. As he leaves, I'm going to reach, and then I'm going to go to the horn. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.